Hi, welcome to Attainable Green. I'm Jess, and today I'm going to do an update on my Bratonia Shelob Tolkien. I've had this plant for about 2 years now, and last year I decided to take my large plant and split it in half. Each side had one new growth and an equal amount of pseudobulbs. I believe it was like 3 or 4, and I placed them exactly in the same spot to see how they would do. And this year, it is a very surprising conclusion to this division. One of the divisions is doing great. It's done better than it's ever been. And the second one actually isn't doing very well. It's kind of suffering. So I just wanted to show what the differences are in these two divisions. So the first division is actually the stronger division, and it has one bulb that has fully matured, and it put out 2 spikes this year, which is amazing because last year it only had 1 spike with 3 flowers, and this year it has 2 spikes. One had 3 flowers and one had 4 flowers. One of the buds blasted due to the heat. So overall, I have 6 flowers on this plant, and they just look so vivid and so stunning. I think it's probably the best blooming it's had since I've had it. The colors of this plant are very saturated, and I think that's also due to the increased light levels for this particular plant. So I am really enjoying how this division is doing, and I'm hoping next year it'll just look even better. Now the second division is actually weaker, which was surprising because both of these plants were potted in the same media, they were placed in the same location, and they were watered exactly the same way, but one is thriving and the other one is actually suffering. So this plant has been slowly consuming its older pseudobulbs to the point where now there's only one that is still green. The second one is being consumed and it will soon rot off. So this plant is just becoming smaller and smaller over time. It may take some time before this plant recovers and becomes blooming size again. When I was first growing orchids, I was just really interested in doing something to my plant, I guess. Like, there's annual maintenance of like trimming roots and leaves and that sort of thing. But the idea of dividing a plant was very appealing because not only would you get one plant, you would get 2. And both plants would grow on and do well. But in my particular case here, one side did really good and one side not so great. So I think for me, it was a lesson learned that I don't always have to divide the plant. Sometimes it's better to keep it as a larger specimen, and that way you get better blooming and better flowers. So I think from now on, I'm going to try to keep this Bratonia Shelob Tolkien as large as I can. And then maybe if it gets too big to stay healthy, or if it gets too big for any pot that I can find, then it may be time to divide. But if it still fits in a 4-inch pot or a 6-inch pot, I think it's better to just keep it as a larger specimen. I know Bratonias or Brassias are known to be larger plants, so they take up a lot more space. So if space is an issue, I can understand doing the division, but I think the plants overall would look much better and have greater impact if they are left to its own devices and stay as large as possible. So I just wanted to share with you my Bratonia Shelob Tolkien. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, Attainable Green, for all the latest updates. And hit the bell so you never miss an episode. Bye!